Hi, I'm Roger Coons. My wife and I are the homeowners, and we're very excited about getting the solar panels on here. We're going to produce about 138% of the energy we need for that calculation. We've included estimates on if we had an electric car and any other electrical stuff so that we can get off of oil. We met you guys at a home show and had a wonderful discussion. Lots of fun, clearly knowledgeable about what you're doing. Also, your solar panels are some of the most efficient in the business. They also generate AC from the solar panels, so the converter is actually in each panel. And I really like that a lot. The panels from the other places weren't as efficient as these, and you just came across really well too. So we were looking for the most efficient panel, and you also seemed to be right on the ball with what kind of rebates and tax credits we'd get, so that was good. The design and the rapid response you guys did was great.